To disassemble iPhone 8, you need the following tools: screwdriver set, tweezers and opening plastic tool, plastic mediator, suction cup for removing display. In description of this video I left links to necessary tools and parts for replacement. Before disassembling, turn off the iPhone and remove the SIM card tray. Unscrew 2 screws near the lighting port. Display glued around perimeter of iPhone, and we need to hit the surface of iPhone for open it. Apply the suction cup near home button and pull up on the ring. Next, push the plastic mediator between the display and iPhone case. From this position, evenly and slowly open the display around the perimeter of iPhone. The iPhone case opens like a book. Open the display to the right. Next, using a Phillips PH00 screwdriver, unscrew the 4 screws and remove the metal panel. First, disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard, and after that, remove the 2 display cables. Next, unscrew the 3 screws and remove the metal panel in the upper case of iPhone. Disconnect the front camera cable from the motherboard. Unscrew the 3 screws and remove the metal panel. Next, unscrew the 2 screws and remove the speaker. Remove the old adhesive tape from the iPhone case. Also remove the adhesive from the display module. After, using medicine alcohol, wipe the surface of iPhone case and display module. Now take adhesive tape and apply it to the case of iPhone. With this tape, you save waterproof resistance of the iPhone. Also, I'll leave link to this adhesive tape in description. Connect 2 display cables and front camera cable to the motherboard of iPhone. Install the metal panels and fasten the screws. Now close the iPhone case and press down the display around the perimeter of iPhone. Fasten the 2 screws near the lighting port. Now you can turn on the iPhone and use it.